Getting into next question. Question number 6. Sandesh, Kailash share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. From April 1st, 2015, they admit Basavesh into their firm, who is being given a share of 1/10 of the profits with a guaranteed minimum of 50,000 rupees. The minimum 50,000 profit, new share is 1/10, remember. Sandesh and Kailash continue to share the profits as before, but agreed to bear any deficiency on account of guarantee to Basavesh in the ratio of 3:2. Their profit sharing ratio will be in the future 2:1 only, but the deficiency will be shared among them in 3:2 ratio. So ratio is given to share the deficiency. The profits of the firm for the year ending 31st March 2016 amounted to 2,40,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. You can go through the problem. Any questions you have, you can ask me. Underline 3:2, underline 50,000, underline 1/10 share. So if you go for problem working, page 27, problem number 6, calculation of deficiency of Basavesh, minimum guaranteed amount, you can see here 50,000. Share of profit in the firm, 2,40,000 is the profit. You can see here 2,40,000 is the profit for the year ending 2,40,000. So 1/10 share. I told the new partner Basavesh is given 1/10 share in the future profits. So 1/10 share will be 24,000. So deficiency for Basavesh is 26,000. So deficiency to be shared among Sandesh and Kailash in the given ratio 3:2. So what is given ratio here? Any deficiency on account of guarantee to Basavesh in the ratio of 3:2 respectively. So this 26,000 to be shared among them in 3:2. So Basavesh 26,000 into 3/5, that comes to 15,600. Kailash 26,000 into 2/5 comes to 10,400. So any questions you have, you can ask me. So two of them are sharing now. So don't worry about new ratio. I will tell you when to go for it. So now let us go for further working in the appropriation account. So here by P&L account 2,40,000 done. To Sandesh capital account 2,40,000 share into 6/10 has come. How 6/10 has come? Because we have to go for a new ratio. We can't go for the old ratio because 3 partners are therein. So we have to check how the values has come. So for that, we have to go for the calculation of new ratio. In the earlier problems, we were having new ratio, like here, you can see new profit sharing ratio in the previous problem 3:2:1. But here we don't have in this problem new ratio. So we have to find new ratio based on the share given to new partner Basavesh 1/10. So how to calculate? This is useful even for admission, even for retirement of a partner. So calculation of new ratio, how to do it? This is for division of profit. So how to go for it? So first we have to always assume, let the total share of the firm be 1. So total is equal to 1, always, it's a rule. Next, new partner Basavesh has been given 1/10 share in the future profit. So he has given 1/10 share. So if he has been given 1/10 share, then what is the remaining share of profit for other partners? So this 1/10 we have to less 1 minus 1/10 is 9/10 to be shared among Sandesh and Kailash in the old ratio 2:1. How 2:1 they have given here? Sandesh and Kailash continue to share profits as before. As before means before was 2:1. Now what will be the ratio now? So remaining is 9/10. 9/10 is shared in 2:1. So how to go for? So I have given a formula here. New share is equal to remaining share into old P&L ratio. So remaining share is this 9/10 is the remaining share. So 9/10 into 2/3. Old P&L ratio is 2/3. How 2/3? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 2/3 and 1/3. So 2/3 for Sandesh, 1/3 for Kailash. So in that way, if you do 9/10 into 2/3, 18/30. Kailash 9/10 into 1/3 is equal to 9/30. So now, how it is going to be given for the Basavesh? So Basavesh has to be done now with, so 1/10 is the one. The total is 3. So it is going to be, if you multiply, you get 3/30. So 1/10 into 3, or we can go for other way. The remaining, so total is 30. Okay, 30 minus 18 and 9. You can do that way also. Or 30 is the total minus 18 minus 9, that is equal to
3, sir.
3. So that is 3/30. That is the easiest way to do. Or if you want, you can do like this also. That is also fine. So new profit sharing ratio, how will you do? 18/30, 9/30, and 3/30. If you take, so 18 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 30. If you simplify, you get common number 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 3 6s are. So 6 is to 3 is to 1. That will be, total is 10. So 6/10 for Sandesh, 3/10 for Kailash, 1/10 for Basavesh. So this is the new profit sharing ratio in which profit to be shared. Profit of the firm to be shared among all partners in this new P&L ratio. So let us use that ratio now for division. So 2,40,000 is the profit. That profit to be divided in, that is 6 is to 3 is to 1. So I am going for that now at present. 2,40,000 into 6/10 will be 1,44,000. Then share of deficiency of Basavesh. Basavesh share already we have done here, 15,600. That we will take here. So less, we can see Sandesh is going to get 1,44,000, but he has to transfer to Basavesh 15,600. That will be, his share now will be 1,28,400. Next, Kailash, how much he is going to get? 2,40,000 into 3 by 10. As per the new ratio, 72,000. Next, less share of Basavesh deficiency, that is 10,400 here. If you deduct
61,600.
yeah, 61,600, very good. So Sandesh profit is reduced, Kailash profit is also reduced. Now we have to check what is Basavesh capital. Sorry, yeah, that is after profit. 24,000 is supposed to get, but add deficiency from both the partners. So one is 15,600, add from Sandesh, add from Kailash 10,400. That will give his guaranteed profit 50,000. So total is 2,40,000. So you can check once, add by adding all this, is it 2,40,000? If it is done, then your answer is right.